From the success of Sahacogen Chonburi power plant to reduce energy costs, as well as the overall environmental impacts in Sahak Group Industrial Park, Sirasha, by using high-efficient production technology and management along the international standards. Sahacogen Combined Cycle Power Plant had been commenced commercial operation in 1999 under the Small Power Producer Project with a capacity of 122 megawatts. It was successively registered in the Stock Exchange of Thailand to increase its capital for expanding the capacity to 174 megawatts in 2003. Subsequently, Sahak Group foresaw the importance of renewable energy, which helped to reduce global warming from using commercial fuel. They then assigned Sahacogen Chonburi Public Company Limited to study the direction of renewable energy development to be a social business enterprise. Such study of Sahacogen has been covered the engineering, economics, society and environment. Consequently, biomass is the potent renewable energy. Therefore, Sahacogen Green Company Limited was established in 2006 to substantially operate the biomass energy business. Subsequent to the discussion with the government sector in Lamphun and local administration organizations on the guidelines to use biomass from agricultural residual as fuel for energy production in order to solve the problems of smog pollution in this area, Sahacogen Green has proposed the biomass cogeneration plant project with a capacity of 9.5 megawatts of electricity and 25 tons of steam per hour located in Sahak Group Industrial Park, Lamphun, in comprise of 4 significant structures as follows. The cogeneration system for the lowest fuel consumption rate. The biomass fuel management system by networking method to distribute income and career in the surrounding area. The fast-growing trees plantation project to create sustainable sources of biomass. Public participation and social responsibility. Subsequently to the public relations for creating the understanding to the community and closely monitoring through the tripartite committee, the project was approved by the committee in 2008 and accomplished as planned in March 2011. The biomass energy production process is begun from transporting the biomass which transformed into the small size with less than 30% moisture content from the enclosed biomass fuel storage by the closed conveyor system. Such biomass is delivered into the combustion chamber which travelling Great Stoker type. The heat from combustion will be transferred to the water in the boiler tube system to convert it into high-pressure steam to drive the steam turbine, which coupled with the power generator in order to produce and supply electricity to the transmission system of Provincial Electricity Authority. During driving the turbine, part of steam will be extracted and distributed to the industrial factories. The rest will be powered the last stage of turbine before passing through the condenser and condensed to hot water, then recirculated into the feed water system of the production process. The bottom ash will be released from the grate into the storage. The fly ash will flow with the exhaust entering the electrostatic precipitator, which high efficiency of particle collection. The exhaust emitted through the stack into the atmosphere is the hot air without smoke. Biomass ash is composed of high organic and nutrient substances with reference to the research cooperated with Machou University and the results from the trial using such biomass ash as soil improvement and nursery materials in several categories of agriculture by farmers in the surrounding areas. Some portions of ash are allocated for the production of paving brick according to the study of Faculty of Engineering, Chiang Mai University. Sahacogen Green pays more attention to the environmental management in compliance with the good governance by the production of clean energy and environmentally friendliness under the standardized management system. The production process is controlled with modern technology by the specialists such as air quality control, noise impact reduction, efficiently water management, including the annual environmental measurement in order to ensure the safety to the environment and surrounding communities. Biomass fuel depot was built outside the industrial park on the area of 16 hectares, which is able to accommodate frequent trucking of biomass delivery per day. Therefore, farmers and minor suppliers can sell biomass at the depot directly. Such the depot is managed by the principle of mutual benefits for both partners and society, with local employment including the quality monitoring system and the origin certificate for all kinds of biomass. To enhance the potential of biomass collection and cost management, as well as promoting accession of minor farmers, another biomass fuel depot was built at Nasang Sub-District, Gok Kha District, Lampang Province. To establish a sustainable source of biomass, the fast-growing trees plantation project has been implemented since 2006, after conclusion of the co-study with Kasetsat Agricultural and Agro-Industrial Product Improvement Institute, Kasetsat University. The Development Center of Fast-Growing Trees for Energy was established to select and cultivate seedling of various species with the high growth rate and ability of coppicing in many cutting cycles, such as eucalyptus, leucanus, acacia and local trees. The sustainable forest management standards are implemented by planting fast-growing trees in the area, having the title deed of the company, joint ventures with the landowners and land rental. In addition, the company has also constructed the kiln dryer demonstration kiln dryer in the power plant's area in order to share knowledge in improving the quality and increasing the value of fast-growing trees. The wood is also transformed to products, while the wood residual is used as biomass fuel. The fast-growing tree plantation management is adopted the agroforestry system by selecting the interested farmers to grow crops such as corn, watermelons, peanuts in the planting plots of fast-growing trees, which is another form of benefits created for the community. The fast-growing tree plantation project leads to the continual local employment starting from growing, maintaining and harvesting, as well as increasing the green areas and absorbing the greenhouse gases causing the global warming. Sahacogen Green Biomass Power Plant welcomes the government sectors, local administrative organizations, educational institutes and investors, both domestic and international, including those who are interested to visit the power plant constantly. With a determination on business operations based on the public participation and social responsibility, the company has been certified and awarded as the outstanding project from several agencies by publicizing its performance through public media, locally, nationally, and internationally. This leads to the expansion of renewable energy business continually. The company and SCG Paper Business Group has jointly established Sahacogen Green Forest Company Limited to operate the biomass power plant in Pran Kratai District, Kamphaeng Phet Province, which was commercially operated in 2012. In the same year, the company has joined with the companies of Sahac Group to establish Sahac Green Energy Company Limited to run the biomass pellets business at Kabinburi District, Prachinburi Province, as well as expanding the production to the sources of raw materials at Gok Kha District, Lampang Province in 2015. Additionally, several projects are on the development process under the promise of the social business enterprise. Sahacogen, sustainable energy, social responsibility.